Hi, welcome to my channel. It's my with Miss Wagashi TV. Today, I'm really excited to show you how to make Japanese dango for Mid-Autumn Festival. This special dango is called Tsukimi Dango in Japanese. Mid-Autumn Festival is a special day in Japan and also in many other Asian countries. We celebrate the festival by viewing the bright full moon along with dango dumplings. Eating dango dumplings is a tradition on the day. In this episode, I will show you how to make Japanese-style presentation of dango. This is a very popular presentation style of dango, so please watch until the end. Alright, so let's get started. These are two different rice flour that I will use in my dumplings. I have plain rice flour and glutinous rice flour. Glutinous rice flour is also called sweet rice flour. You can find it in Asian supermarket or you can make online purchases. In addition to the rice flour, you will also need cups of hot and cold water. Now, let's make the dough. Measure 100 grams of rice flour in a mixing bowl. Take another mixing bowl and measure 100 grams of glutinous rice flour. First, take a bowl with rice flour and add 100 ml of hot water little by little and mix well with a spatula until combined. Once the dough is combined into one, put it aside. Then, take a bowl with glutinous rice flour. Add 100 ml of room temperature water little by little and mix well until combined. The amount of room temperature water required varies depending on the brand of the flour. Please adjust if necessary. The finished dough needs to be soft but not sticky. Let's combine the two doughs together. Transfer one dough to another and knead it by hands until it is smooth and soft. Divide the dough into two and then roll out each dough into a long tube. Cut into small pieces with a knife or cutter. Take a piece in your hand and roll it into a ball. Let's boil the dango dumplings now. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Gently add dumplings and cook for about 3 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare ice water in a large bowl. When all the balls starts to float on the surface, cook for 1 further minute. Take out the dumplings and cool them in the ice water. Drain the water once the dumplings cool. Here is the traditional Japanese way to present dango. Traditionally, 15 pieces of dango dumplings are served. It is because the festival takes place on the full moon day of 15th of the lunar calendar. Dango is served and eaten with sweet red bean paste. Today, I will use canned red bean paste. It can be made at home too. Watch my tutorial on how to make delicious red bean paste at home. I put a link in the description below. On this channel, I share useful information and tips for making Japanese foods and desserts, especially for people living outside Japan. So if you're fans of all things Japanese and wants to learn about popular Japanese foods and desserts, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. See you in my next video. Bye bye!